You've just been told you have a chronic disease. The doctor gives you a prescription, tells you to manage it, and sends you home. But what if I told you that inside your body exists a powerful healing switch that can do what no pill can? A hidden mechanism so strong, it can burn stubborn fat, reverse aging, reduce inflammation, and even help protect against cancer. The crazy part? You don't need a new supplement. You don't need an expensive treatment. You don't even need a gym membership. All you need to do is stop eating for 36 hours. Sounds extreme? Stick with me. In this video, we're going to dive into the science of autophagy, your body's secret cleaning process, and reveal exactly what happens hour by hour when you don't eat for 36 hours. By the end, you'll understand why some of the world's leading researchers call fasting the fountain of youth, and how you can safely use it to boost your energy, melt fat, and supercharge your health. So, let's begin. Section 1. The hidden power inside your cells. Your body is an incredible machine. Every second, trillions of cells are working tirelessly, digesting food, creating energy, repairing tissue, and keeping you alive. But over time, cells get damaged. Toxins from the environment, poor diet, lack of sleep, stress. All of these create waste. Old, broken zombie cells pile up. They make you age faster. They fuel chronic diseases. They cause fatigue, pain, and inflammation. Here's the secret doctors rarely tell you. Your body already has a built-in repair system to deal with these damaged cells. It's called autophagy, which literally means self-eating. Think of it like this. When you stop eating, your body gets the signal. No fuel is coming in, time to survive. So, instead of shutting down, your body switches into cleaning mode. It begins recycling old, weak, and toxic cells. It burns them for fuel. It replaces them with younger, healthier, more efficient cells. It's like hitting the reset button on your entire system. And here's the most shocking part. It only takes 36 hours without food to trigger this process in full force. Section 2. What happens hour by hour? Now, let's break down exactly what happens in your body when you go without food. Hour 0 to 8. You eat your last meal. For the next 8 hours, your body uses glucose, sugar from your food, as its main fuel. Nothing special yet. Hour 12. Blood sugar begins to drop. Your liver starts producing ketones, an alternative fuel made from fat. Suddenly, your brain feels sharper, clearer, and more focused. Hunger hormones begin to calm down. Hour 13 to 17. Growth hormone skyrockets. In men, testosterone can increase by up to 1,300% in just 15 hours. Your body is signaling. Burn fat, build muscle, slow down aging. Inflammation markers like CRP begin to fall. Hour 18 to 24. Cell repair kicks in. Your body identifies old, damaged zombie cells that are on the verge of turning cancerous and destroys them. This is where autophagy begins. Hour 24. Your gut lining starts to heal. Stem cells begin repairing damage in your intestines. This is huge for anyone dealing with bloating, IBS, or leaky gut. Hour 36. This is the magic window. Your body has fully switched to fat-burning mode. Stubborn belly fat is tapped into as the primary fuel source. At the same time, old, toxic cells are cleared out and replaced with brand new ones. Your energy stabilizes, your brain lights up, and you feel lighter, inside and out. Think about that. In just a day and a half, your body can literally reset its health at a cellular level. Section 3. The benefits of a 36-hour fast. So what does this mean for you in practical terms? Let's talk benefits. Rapid fat loss. After 36 hours, your body has no choice but to burn stored fat for fuel, including that stubborn fat around your belly. Inflammation relief. Inflammation is the root of nearly every chronic disease. Studies show fasting drops inflammatory markers dramatically, helping with joint pain, arthritis, and even skin conditions. Brain boost. Ketones fuel your brain more efficiently than sugar. That's why people report laser-sharp focus, better memory, and improved mood after fasting. Cancer defense. Autophagy helps destroy cells before they turn cancerous. In one study, breast cancer recurrence dropped by 64% in women who fasted just 13 hours daily. Slowed aging, growth hormone surges, DNA repair activates, and zombie cells are eliminated. In other words, fasting doesn't just make you live longer, it helps you live younger. Section 4. But is it safe? At this point, you might be asking, okay, this sounds amazing, but is fasting for 36 hours safe? Here's the truth. For most healthy adults, yes, but it's not for everyone. If you're pregnant, underweight, or have certain medical conditions, you should absolutely talk to a doctor first. The good news? You don't have to fast for 36 hours every week. Just once a month can give you incredible benefits. Even a 24-hour fast once per week can transform your health over time. Section 5. The 5 foods that supercharge fasting. Now, here's where things get even more interesting. You can actually enhance the effects of fasting by choosing the right foods when you break your fast and during your eating window. Here are the top 5. Avocado, packed with healthy fats. Eating this first shuts off hunger hormones and prevents you from overeating. Organic coffee. Studies show coffee can increase autophagy in the liver, muscles, and even the heart, but only if it's organic and mold-free. Green tea. A gentler option than coffee, but equally powerful at triggering autophagy. Also great for brain health. Olive oil. Rich in antioxidants, proven to protect the brain and fight cancer. But remember, it must be organic and never overheated. Turmeric with black pepper. The curcumin in turmeric supercharges autophagy and fights inflammation, especially when combined with black pepper for absorption. If you make these foods part of your fasting lifestyle, you multiply the benefits dramatically. Section 6. Common mistakes to avoid. Now, I have to warn you. Fasting works, but only if you avoid these mistakes. Mistake number 1. Breaking your fast with sugar or carbs. This will spike your insulin and undo the benefits instantly. Mistake number 2. Not drinking enough water. Dehydration will make you feel weak and tired. Mistake number 3. Overeating afterwards. The goal is healing, not binging. Start small with healthy fats. Mistake number 4. Ignoring electrolytes. Adding a pinch of sea salt to water can prevent dizziness and fatigue. Avoid these, and your fast will feel easier and work better. Section 7. How to start today. So, how can you begin safely? Step 1. Start small. Try a 12-hour fast overnight. Stop eating at 8 p.m. and don't eat until 8 a.m. Step 2. Work up to 16 hours. This is where fat burning really starts. Step 3. Once or twice a month, try a full 24-hour fast. Step 4. After a few weeks, when you feel confident, attempt a 36-hour fast. The key is to listen to your body. Fasting is not about starving yourself. It's about healing yourself. So let's go back to that doctor's office. Imagine being told you have a chronic disease. Most people think medication is the only answer. But now, you know better. You know that inside your body is a self-healing switch. One that clears out toxic cells, melts fat, boosts your brain, and even slows aging. And the only thing you need to activate it is to stop eating for 36 hours. Here's the challenge. Try it. Just once. Give your body that chance to heal. And when you do, I promise, you'll feel a difference you can't ignore. If you found this video eye-opening, let me know in the comments. Have you ever tried fasting? How long did you go? And of course, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful health secrets your doctor might not tell you. Until next time, stay strong, stay healthy, and remember, sometimes the best medicine is no medicine at all.